More reaction from people in East Tennessee following the overturning of Roe versus Wade. For some, this comes as a shock, and for others, it's been what they've been hoping for.
Yeah, 6 on your side reporter Veronica Obey spoke with those on both sides of this emotional decision. Veronica.
Yeah, that's right, Bo. It was what everyone has been talking about since Friday. Now some are looking forward to the next steps of the Tennessee trigger law, while others are hoping to pump the brakes after realizing what won't be included as exceptions.
On Friday, innocent human life won.
The Supreme Court deciding to end the federal constitutional right to an abortion and granting states regulation power has many Tennesseans celebrating.
Tennessee has always been a pro-life state, and when Roe was initially handed down, we were one of 30 states that had laws on our books protecting the unborn.
But for Chloe Akers, a Knoxville criminal defense attorney, she says this ruling is leaving a lot of people unprotected.
The first thing that jumped off the page was, I don't see any affirmative defense that relates to sexual assault. And that to me was incredibly shocking. And then I thought about it even further, and I thought, I don't see anything in here about incest. I don't see anything in here about a woman or a young girl who's been trafficked or forced into prostitution. I don't see anything in here about an ectopic pregnancy.
With those thoughts, Akers took to Instagram to inform her followers of Tennessee's trigger law. What she thought would only reach 150 people has now gained over 1 million views. Now she's hoping to send an even bigger message.
I'm not interested in shouting and yelling and telling another person that they're wrong or they're ignorant or any of these insults that I feel both sides throw around. What I am interested in is giving folks the space to do what I've seen juries do, and that's deliberate. And if they have questions and concerns and they're not satisfied with the law as it's written, to take the next step and challenge our legislators.
However, those against abortion say options provided to soon-to-be mothers, regardless of their circumstance, is what now needs to be considered.
We need to offer women and girls a solution that allows them to have their children, to keep them if they choose, to provide them to a loving family if that's the best option to them. But we should never ever say to a woman that the option you have is to kill her unborn child. That is not acceptable for society.
And while speaking with attorney Akers, she says she hopes people will continue to have these challenging conversations because what she has seen since the video she posted blew up, many Instagram users have messaged her with many questions, which she says goes to show that more clarity is needed.